Good morning, good morning. Happy Saturday. This is Alma Lasso 28. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share it to you my semi-annual Victoria's Secret sale. So I just have a few. I just want to share it to you that they're really giving a 60% off, okay? In selected items, okay? They still have it as far as I know in their website, or you can just visit their stores. So let's jump in and start quickly. All right, this is the package, okay? All right, so they're just putting in the bag, in the plastic bag, because there's nothing fragile, okay? As far as I remember, whatever I've ordered from them. So every year I'm doing this kind of sale, or actually bi-yearly, okay? So their next semi-annual sale will be on July. So I'm always grabbing that kind of opportunity. So I'm just doing the shopping all the time, and then sometimes they're giving me a $10 off, or they have this kind of promo all the time. Like, as far as I know, I'll show it to you later on. I hope it's inside the package. It's like a coupon, okay? I'll show it to you later on. So that's the way they're doing their promotion or the marketing strategy. So there's a lot of people gonna buy their products, okay? So I'm feeling more comfortable doing on their website than in the store. You know, you have to take care of yourself, and lately the COVID strikes us again, okay? Worst, okay? So I would rather do it online. And by the way, if you want to make it sure which is which, if it is in store or website, there's a different deal. All right, so like that, the one that I checked it out, I think last week, the coffee cup of Victoria's Secret, or pink. All right, it's like there's a lotion, mist, and one socks, okay? In the store it's only $15, but in their website it's $20, okay? So if you're really so curious about your budget, just, you know, do some visiting in their store, and then shop in their, or check it out in their website. That's the only thing I'm gonna suggest to you guys if you are a couponing like me, you know, always curious with my budget. Because if you have a big discount in one item, you can spend that money from the other things. Like our family loves to travel, so I save that kind of money and put it in our trip plan, okay? All right, so the first one, oh, beautiful. This is on sale, guys, by the way. I love this kind of shoes because I want to make it sure my feet is always warm, okay? No matter how expensive the shoes from Victoria's Secret. And most of my shoes came from Victoria's Secret. So I just bought the UGG shoes. So I just bought from them, I think, couple months ago. It's only $150, okay? Let me check it out. I'll be right back. I'll show it to you what I mean. This is the guys that I'm talking about, okay? If you're gonna check it out, it's really durable. Look here. And you know, the inside, it's really warm, even though it's -4 or -5, as far as I know, because it says in the features of these shoes that it really gonna warm your feet all the time, okay? Especially if it's snowing time and it's below 0, okay? So I love these shoes. It's not fashionable, but I'll make it sure my feet is safe. All right, so I tried many times to use these shoes, and absolutely 100% satisfied. And this one is from Victoria's Secret itself. All right, actually this is for inside the house, especially this kind of shoes, which is so fancy. Oh my god, amazing shoes, okay? So definitely I'm gonna use this one also outside, just going to the store, not too much snow. Shoes, you can still grab it in their website. Okay, so I think this one is cost, here we go, oh, it's $21.09. I paid only that kind, not so much. Okay, so it's really cheap. It's big time good deal. Okay, so grab it now as what I've said it to you, and look at it inside, so warm. Oh my god, look at the one, the cushion. Here we go, so amazing. All right, the next one. And oh, they have a promotion. See, this is for the HelloFresh. Oh, this is the first time I've received from them that they put some flyers inside. Okay, they're promoting HelloFresh. Oh Lord, since when is that their sister company? All right, this is the one that I'm telling to you, the coupon of them. Okay, this is a spring reward card. It says here $20 off once you have a $50 purchase. Okay, it's gonna be effective February 23rd until March 8th. So it's beautiful. Love it, love it. All right, the next one. This is, I really need this one. Ever since, I'm really adoring their journal, or what we call it, calendar. Is that what you call, or journal or calendar? Okay, so this is how it looks like. There we go. This is for the month of 2021. It started August last year, all right, until December this year. Okay, this is on sale. I paid this one $6.74. This is a planner. If you're gonna tell me why is it your price is different from their website, it because I use some $10 off. So that's the reason why it's like that one. So they divide the $10 from each of the item. All right, so it's beautiful. This is pink product. Okay, and definitely I'm gonna use this one for my work. All right, because I have another one, the planner, which is for 5 years planner. So I'm gonna use that one for personal use, and this one I'm gonna bring it to my work. Okay, we definitely gonna be busy, especially now. We have to focus working now. Okay, the next one. Here we go. This is the blouse. Okay, and this is only $9.27. Okay, I'll show it to you. Ever since, I think it's been a year already in their website, and I forgot to order this one a long time already. So if you're gonna look at it, it's a half. All right, so sexy. Okay, so I'll definitely give this one to Michelle because she loves this kind of clothes. Actually, all my long sleeve, what she's doing lately, she just gonna cut it on half, or else, so that she gonna wear it and show off her body, her sexy body. Okay, so definitely this is a good idea for her, and she will love it. And then I love the fabric. It's so soft. All right, and it's like you're gonna wash it and hang it after washing it. You don't need to do a high temperature or too hot for drying it. Okay, so it doesn't says here how you're gonna do it, but definitely, oh, here, see, it says here, oh, they call it corpse. Okay, anyway, there's a symbol. It's over here. Okay, you're gonna use 30 degrees, okay, of water temperature, and as far as I know, it's a tumble dry. Is that the way is it? And you can iron it. No bleach. Don't use bleach. And what I'm doing is I'm just gonna put in the dryer, but in a low heat. You can just put in the hanger after washing it, and then put it inside the bathroom because our heater is working. So that one helps a lot. Okay, so the next one, of course, this is my favorite all the time. So I'm getting the opportunity if the sweatshirt of them is on sale. So for this one, I bought it only for $16.86. So they call it a neck pullover. All right. And I'll give it to Michelle if she wants it. I'll give it to her if she doesn't want it. I'll just gonna wearing it, but not as of now, maybe next winter time. This is the new trend of them. Look at that one, see? And then if you want it, just fold it, and it's a beautiful style. I don't have this kind of color yet. All right, and here we go. Love Pink 1986. All right. Most of my sweatshirt, I'm getting it from Pink. I love Pink. Okay. It's only unusual I'm getting it from the Victoria's Secret itself. For me, the only I'm getting from them most of the time are the perfume, the lingerie, yeah, the underwear. I'm getting also from the Pink. I don't know. I feel more comfortable with the Pink than the Victoria's Secret itself. When it comes with the mist and everything, that's for Michelle, the Pink. I love the fabric itself. Okay, it's really soft. Okay, and I never have a sweatshirt from them that it shrunk or shrink. Okay, they have a good quality of sweatshirt and everything, all style. Oh, it's amazing. There's one that Michelle didn't want to wear it anymore, so I'm wearing it now, and it's really feels so warm. Okay, all right. So that's it, guys. I only have 4. This is the only thing I'm gonna use it for during winter time, or I'm gonna use it this one definitely next year. I still have some of the sweatshirt, the boots, and everything. So this is my stock, and I'll just gonna keep it. All right. And as what I've said, I'm just getting the opportunity. If their products are on sale, I'll just gonna grab it quickly. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it and you have an idea regarding the semi-annual sale of Victoria's Secret. You can still go to their website, and their store is still ongoing. Okay, and you know, guys, just enjoy life and get whatever you need. All right, and use your money wisely. Okay? So whatever the discount that you get from this product, that you use it for another thing that you want, you gonna enjoy it, or the basic needs of yours. Okay, that's the reason why I'm showing to you guys this kind of product, so that you have an idea. And I'm the kind of person who's doing the couponing. All right, so after this video, I'm gonna do the body bath works or whatever. I'm sorry, I'm not used to it. Bath Body Works are sister company of Victoria's Secret. Also, they have a semi-annual sale also, so I'll show it to you later on. Some products came from their store, some products came from their website, but I'm gonna inform you what's the advantage and disadvantage from getting it in store or from their website. Okay, I'll see you then. I love you, and don't forget, all right, subscribe, click the bell notification, all right, share to other people, and of course give me a thumbs up. Okay, love you guys. Bye.